what's up, child? What's up, child? It's day 5 trying to get funded on a 10K account, right? As you guys already know, today is Monday and no trades were taken. Some trades were missed, right? But it's good than what chasing the trade and what losing what money, right? I'm going to run you guys through what I'm expecting, still expecting, for the coming weeks, the coming days in this week, hopefully maybe in the coming week, right? What I'm anticipating, it's still, a fresh week. It's Mondays. There is still more to come, right? So yes, guys, I'll be running you guys through. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, right? Hit the subscribe button. So this video, what we can help grow this channel. We're currently sitting at 14 subscribers. Let's try and get to 20 subscribers at the end of this month, guys. Let's get into the chart. This is my screen. Starting out with GBBJPY first. You guys can see that what GBBJPY, as I was saying, for this week, if you watch what the pre-market analysis, I was expecting what a retap to this zone, right? And we able to sell up to the upside, right? But it looks like the tap wasn't kind of like accurate for me, so guys, I just avoided it, right? I was expecting a tap to the cycle level, to into the zone, like blending well, so that we can get a buy to the upside. But looks like what price had was not that like patient to what come into the zone, so it just what came in halfway and what just returned, right? But it's all good, guys. We didn't take this trade, right? So GBP it's either what we're expecting some future movements. If it's still going to keep on moving up, we're expecting some future movements, at this zone, this region, you know to kind of like for us to get an area of interest, or either it's what is coming back into this zone, right? It's coming back down and we're able to get a change of character. We get a pullback to this area of interest, and what we sell to the downside, right? So that's what I'm anticipating with GBP now. So now, as I said, it's either we are getting forward movement, you're getting like we're going long, we are bullish, we are expecting like some foreplay here, so that we're able to get our area of interest in order for us to get some entries. If not, guys, our fingers are crossed, until we get an opportunity. We are not jumping in, right? So this is for JPY, guys. Let's jump on to gold. Go to the same thing. You can see, right? Gold just took off. Immediately the market opened. It didn't even kind of like say hi to the zone. It just took off immediately the market opened, right? And it's currently kind of like trying to reverse, which if it does, right, you might be able to get a potential entry, guys, if only we are able to get an area of interest, or somewhere at this zone, right? An area of interest, right? Then we get a pullback to this zone, and we sell to the downside. If only we are able to get an area of interest, somewhere here in this zone, guys. So that's what I'm looking at, right? If we are not able to get that, guys, I'm not taking the trade. My hands are tied, right? So that's what I'm anticipating with gold. So somewhere here in this region, we are expecting an area of interest to be, we're expecting, so that I'm looking at it closely, eye marking it very well, so that I can see if I can get a zone, so that I'll be able to get an area of interest, so that if there's a pullback, I'm able to sell. If not, right, we are still getting some upward movements, fine, right? We're cool with it, but some pullback to this zone, as I said, to the area of interest, and we're able to buy to the top side, right? So right now we're not kind of like rushing it, right? With UJ, guys, I missed the trade. The move itself happened in the Asian session, right? You can see price came into the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Let me put it up for you guys. It came very nicely into this Fibonacci level, 61.8 Fibonacci level, and just took off, right? It came back during the landing session, and took off again, right? So we missed this trade. Let me go on the 50 minutes for you guys to see, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. We would have been able to go long, price taking out, people here going below the 61.8. We're able to see an opportunity for a buy, placing our stop loss just below the zone, and targeting this extension level, right? So yes guys, we missed it, but it's all good, right? It's all good. But there are still opportunities, more opportunities, infinity. Our fingers are just crossed, hands are tied, right? So yes guys, this is UJ. So with UJ now, you have what something I would like to call an area of interest at this zone, right? You guys can see for yourself. Or you can see we have an area of interest just right here at this zone, right? So I'm just looking at how price is going to play within it, right? It's either what price refuses to stop the movement and break below this, right? Break below this, higher low, higher low, and changes character and give us a proper to this area of interest, and we're able to sell to the downside. Else, it keeps it just keeps heading up, right? It just keeps heading up, pulling back to this area of interest, and taking off. Right, so that's what I'm anticipating now for UJ. Right, my hands are tied currently, guys. So yes, guys, let's just see what the market gives us, in the coming days. There you have it. You can see it's day 5, and from the previous mistakes that I have made, the lessons I've learned, or I'm applying it to in the subsequent days. You're not rushing in. There's an opportunity, we go for it. There's no opportunity, if it's a it's a missed opportunity, we don't go chasing, revenging. We don't do that here, guys. So yeah, this is what I'm anticipating for the coming days with the pairs that trade, right? So yes guys, if you found this content helpful, hit the thumbs up button, right? If you're new to the channel, or you're in the channel you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so we can help grow this channel. As I said, 20 subscribers by the end of this month, guys. You're currently sitting at 14 subscribers, guys. Let's help grow the channel, guys. If you have anything you want to say, anything you want to share, just put in the comment section. You have enough room. I'm here for you guys. I love you guys. I sure it's been love since day one. Peace out.